How to fix WhatsApp PDF not opening.
So you might be facing this issue because your application is not up to date. In order to check it out, let's move into App Store.
In the search bar, search for WhatsApp.
Move ahead to this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And this might be the reason that you're having the issue. If that's the case, tap on update and update your app. Once you've got the latest version of the app, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Move into General. Head over to iPhone Stories. In this page, search for the application Facebook and then move into it. Now tap on Offload App and then once again click on Offload App. Offloading app means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Facebook. But if you're still facing the issue, then what you can try doing is simply report the problem. State all the problem that you have been facing on Facebook and then send it to the Facebook support. Within 24 hours, they will definitely reach you out and then you'll be good to go.
So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix WhatsApp PDF not opening.
Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.